Hello everyone, I'm Brian Pippin. MyUsage.com is a great way for you to monitor your energy and water consumption and your account balance. In this video, I'll show you how to access and use MyUsage.com so that you can monitor your day-to-day utility consumption. First, open your internet browser and type in www.myusage.com. The username will be the email address listed on your account. If you don't have an email address, JEA will give you login details when you set up your account. For all new customers, the password will default to the word password in all capital letters. So after you type in your username and password, click Login. The first time you log in, the system will automatically prompt you to update your password for security purposes. Your new password must be at least 6 characters. After you change your password, you will be taken to the account screen. This screen is an overview of your account information. Here you will see different tabs that you will have access to, including the History tab and the Settings tab. On this screen, you can also see your day-to-day usage and weather history in a bar graph. Below the bar graph, you will see the Account Information section. Here you will be able to view your account balance, estimated days of usage left, your average daily usage, and any unpaid balances. I hope this video will make it easier for you to navigate your new MyUsage.com account. And we have more videos too, so check them out. I'm Brian Pippin.